So, hi. Today we're going to be looking at this new fitness tracker from Medion. Let's see how it compares to my current fitness tracker. So I got this one. I guess it's time to retire him. This Medion. So let's have a look. Unboxing. Without cutting myself. Exciting. Wow, let's see what we can find inside. Box empty, the usual paper, 1, 2, 3, and then we have the tracker itself with a little cable. Let's see if we can open this. As usual, very well sealed. I need to get some scissors. So back again with some very safe scissors. All right. Sometimes I would really prefer them to pack these things a little easier. There you go. And 2. So, cable. Let's do the whole unboxing. Normal USB-A, and this time, okay, so the current one that I have has a very similar charging system, but this is, the actual cable is proprietary, so we can't replace this. Okay, so that's a pity, I guess. And the actual tracker. Here we have the different charging contacts and the sensors for the blood pressure, etc. Heart rate. Pretty nice strap here. I do like the fact that they have these the option to actually lock it in place like a normal watch strap. On my current one, it was this kind of system here, where it would often happen that I would be wearing it and then it would just pop open by itself, or because I got caught on something. So that shouldn't be an issue here, which I'm excited about. And let's look how it feels. Feels pretty good. All right, ready to test. See, no battery in it. No battery. So we'll first have to charge it up and see how it goes. Awesome.